In this lecture, we will learn how to use ladder in dimensioning. You can see that we have two holes of radius 2.5 mm. We will use ladder to show dimension to these two holes. First, delete this dimension, left click and erase it. This is the multi-ladder tool. Click at drop down and select ladder. Now, left click at circle to give a ladder. Left click to end. Type two holes of radius 2.5 mm. To decrease the font, double click at text. Now select text. Then decrease the font from here. You can see that the size of the arrow is quite big. To decrease its size, select arrow and type MLadder style. Go to modify, edit arrowhead size from here. Click OK. Select annotate and close. Now you can see that the size of arrowhead is decreased. Click at ladder, drag the point to edit its size. So this is the multi-ladder tool in AutoCAD.